If you're deciding between GoDaddy and SiteGround for your marketing needs, you're probably wondering which one offers the best marketing tools for your business. Both platforms are well established in the website hosting world, but they have different strengths when it comes to promoting your brand online. So, which one truly stands out for marketing? Stick with me till the end, because I'll be giving you the verdict you didn't expect. Let's start by talking about GoDaddy. GoDaddy is best known for its user-friendly platform and variety of services. When it comes to marketing, GoDaddy offers a suite of tools, including email marketing, social media management, and a website builder that helps you create a visually appealing site quickly. However, while it's easy to use, some users feel the marketing features are a bit too basic, especially for growing businesses looking for advanced functionality. GoDaddy's email marketing is straightforward, but it lacks some of the more sophisticated features found in other platforms. Next thing to consider is SiteGround. SiteGround, known for its top-notch hosting and excellent customer support, also provides several marketing tools. They offer integrations with popular apps, SEO tools, and more advanced email options compared to GoDaddy. However, SiteGround's marketing tools are mostly focused around helping you improve your website's performance rather than offering all-in-one solutions. While it excels in hosting and performance, its marketing tools aren't as comprehensive as you might expect from a dedicated platform. That being said, if you're already using SiteGround for hosting, its SEO tools and integrations will work well if you're looking to improve your search engine rankings. Now, let's talk about ease of use. GoDaddy's marketing tools are more beginner-friendly, which is great for people just starting. Their dashboard is easy to navigate, and everything is integrated smoothly, so you can launch campaigns without much effort. But once you get more advanced, the tools might start feeling restrictive. On the other hand, SiteGround's tools are a bit more geared toward experienced users. You'll find powerful integrations with Google Analytics and other tools, but the learning curve can be steep for someone unfamiliar with web development. It's more suited for people who already have some technical know-how and are looking to optimize their site's performance and SEO. The fourth thing to mention is customer support. GoDaddy has a solid support system with 24/7 phone support and a knowledge base, but their marketing support is sometimes lacking. If you need help with a specific marketing strategy, they might not be the best resource. SiteGround, on the other hand, is known for its exceptional customer support, especially when it comes to hosting. But as with GoDaddy, when it comes to marketing strategies specifically, you might not get the detailed support you're looking for. Now, let's address the pricing. GoDaddy tends to be more affordable, especially for entry-level users. However, many of the advanced marketing tools are available only on higher-tier plans, which can get pricey. SiteGround's pricing is generally higher, but this is because they offer superior hosting and slightly more advanced tools. If you want to unlock all the marketing tools SiteGround offers, you'll need to invest in higher-tier plans, which can add up fast. Finally, if you're looking for a one-stop shop for both powerful marketing tools and robust hosting, there are alternatives to both GoDaddy and SiteGround that you might want to consider. While both are good in their own right, after trying them myself, I found that they might not be the best for the specific goal of marketing automation and integrated tools that a growing business needs. If you're looking for something with better all-around marketing capabilities, I highly recommend taking advantage of the free trial of the platform linked in the description below. This exclusive deal, available only through our link, will give you the best experience for both marketing and hosting without the need to jump between multiple platforms.